Hi friends! Welcome back to the Read and Learn channel. Today, we'll read fun, rhyming stories with the short E sound. Let's enjoy these awesome tales together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let us read together. The Red Hen. The red hen met Ben. Ben fed the red hen. The hen sat with Ken. They played in the pen. Now, read it by yourself. Good job! Let us read together. A wet pet. I have a wet pet. The pet likes to get wet. It jumps in the net. Then dries off, you bet. Now, read it by yourself. Good job! Let us read together. Ted and the Bed. Ted sat on the bed. He laid down his head. The bed was red. Ted slept and was fed. Now, read it by yourself. Good job! Yay! Let us read together. A big web. I see a big web. A bug is on the web. It sits on a ledge. The web is near a hedge. Now, read it by yourself. Good job! Yay! Let us read together. Jen and 10 pence. Jen has 10 pence. She shares them with friends. They write on a den. They all say amen. Now, read it by yourself. Good job! Yay! Let us read together. The red net. The red net is set. It's placed in the wet. A fish did get in. The net catches again. Now, read it by yourself. Good job!
Yay!
Let us read together. The pet and the vet. A pet went to the vet. It's a dog, you bet. The vet helped the pet. Now the pet is all set. Now, read it by yourself. Good job! Let us read together. Ben and his jet. Ben has a small jet. It flies fast, you bet. He flies in the set sun. Ben lands when he's done. Now, read it by yourself. Good job!
Yay!
Let us read together. The hen and the pen. A hen sat in a pen. She laid eggs again. The eggs were 10. They hatched and ran then. Now, read it by yourself. Good job! Let us read together. Ned and the web. Ned saw a big web. It had bugs near a hedge. He watched them spread. The bugs flew and led. Now, read it by yourself. Wow! Awesome! You did such a great job reading all the stories with me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. See you next time on the Read and Learn channel. Bye!